How to safeguard our children from getting infected by this dangerous coronavirus. Boosting our immune system has rarely felt more urgent than now. At the outset of this new virus, besides avoiding contacts, hand wash, and being hygienic, what else can we do? Our immune system may not necessarily be good at seeing colds, but a healthy lifestyle will ensure our defenses are as good as they get. Immune function is intimately linked to nutrition. So, it's a 7 nights challenge. Drink golden milk, also known as turmeric milk, for 7 nights in a row before going to bed. It is an Indian drink that has antioxidants that fight cell damage, strengthening your immunity, protecting your body from oxidative stress, also does internal healing, curing wounds and improving virility. Turmeric has antiseptic, anti-inflammatory properties, antimicrobial, anti-allergic properties. Having turmeric milk has no efficacy if it isn't teamed up with a pinch of black pepper, as piperine enhances curcumin absorption in the body by up to 2000%. Combining the spices magnifies their effects. Now let's see how to make yellow milk.